Now, we will take some example problems for dimensional method. Before that, we have to tell what are the uses and limitations of dimensional method. Okay. Uses of the dimensional method. First one, dimensional method can be used to check the correctness of the given equation. To check the correctness. What is the correctness, sir? V is equal to U plus AT. S is equal to UT plus half AT square. V square is equal to U square plus 2AS. Kinetic energy is half mv square. Potential energy is mgh. Like that, I have equations. Using dimensional formula, I am checking whether this is correct or not. One important point I want to clarify here is, we are checking only dimensionally. We are not checking mathematically. What is the meaning, sir? We will explain. V is equal to U plus AT. What is V? Velocity, U velocity, A acceleration, T is called time. Dimensional formula, velocity LT power minus 1. U LT power minus 1 plus acceleration LT power minus 2, time is T. So what you are getting? Left hand side LT power minus 1, right hand side LT power minus 1 plus this is T power minus 2, T power 1. What you are getting? LT power minus 1. That's all. You have to stop here. Left answer also LT power minus 1, right answer also LT power minus 1 I am having, sir. Dimensionally correct. Finished, that's all. Sir, LT power minus 1 plus LT power minus 1 is 2LT power minus 1. Then cancel left answer LT power minus 1, right answer LT power minus 1. 1 is not equal to 2. Dimensionally wrong. அப்படின்னு எழுதுவான் ஒரு பையன். அவனை ஒண்ணுமே பண்ண முடியாது. Repeatedly we are telling, we are checking only dimensionally. Mathematically we are not checking. Appo potential energy mgh, kinetic energy half mv square. These two can be checked dimensionally equal or not, sir? You can check. How will you check? M, capital M, G, LT power minus 2, acceleration due to gravity. H, L, measure of length. Half, constant, there is no dimensional formula. These are the limitations. No dimensional formula for constant. Sir, gravitational constant I am having, sir. Acceleration due to gravity is one constant I am having, sir. This is called dimensional constants. Definitely you have dimensional formula for all these things. Pi is a number. No dimensional formula for a constant. Dimensionless variables. That and all. Okay, so this is all fixed values. Fixed values means number. This is a number. Number has got no dimensional formula. Whereas gravitational constant, acceleration due to gravity, this is all fixed values. We have unit, we have dimensional formula. Okay. L, M, capital M, V, LT power minus 1 the whole square. So M, L into L, L square, T power minus 2, M, L square, T power minus 2. Dimensionally correct. So this is checking the correctness of the given equation. Second usage of dimensional formula is to derive the equation for physical quantities. What is the meaning of derive the equation for physical quantities, sir? Sir, some formula I know, but I don't know exactly that formula is correct. I know the dimensional formula for all the physical quantities I'm using, but the exact formula I don't know, sir. How to calculate? Time period of a simple pendulum. Time period. You are oscillating the bob for a given length. Calculate the time period. The time period, I know it depends upon the mass of the pendulum, length of the pendulum, acceleration due to gravity of the pendulum. I know only this concept. Final formula for time period, I forgot. But I know very well it depends upon only three: M, L, and G. Whether mass is depending or not, length is depending or not, G is depending or not, I don't know. But these are the three things I want to check. Dimensional method. Okay, you check dimensionally. No mass is there. This is time period. So no mass, M power 0. No length, L power 0. We have time, T power 1. M, capital M. Length, capital L. G, LT power minus 2. T is equal to proportionality constant K. M is there or not, I don't know. So put power X, power Y, power Z. Why I have to put X, Y, Z, sir? Sir, T is equal to M power 0 or M power 1, M square, L power minus 2, G power 4. I don't know what is the exact formula. I know only it is depending on these three quantities. So I am putting X, Y, Z for length, for mass, and for acceleration due to gravity. Writing the dimensional formula for all, and again I am putting power X, power Y, power Z. Now compare the powers on the left and on the right. How will you compare? M power 0, L power 0, T power 1. Here M power X, L power, here power Y is there, here power Z is there. So I can write Y plus Z. T power, what you have? Minus 2Z. So I have MLT on both the sides. Yes, we have. Any question regarding the derivation or to determine the equation for physical quantities, write dimensional method of left hand side, dimensional formula for left hand side, dimensional formula for right hand side, equate in terms of MLT form. Left MLT, right MLT, you bring it. Then equate the powers. X is equal to 0. Y plus Z is equal to 0. Minus 2Z is equal to 1. So Z is equal to minus half. X is equal to 0. Z is equal to minus half means Y is equal to plus half, because adding these two, you are getting 0. So X, Y, Z, you know, substitute here. Power half T is equal to a constant K. M power X. What is M power X? M power 0. Anything power 0 is 1. L power Y. What is L power Y? Power half. Power half means square root. G power Z. G power minus half. Minus means will come in denominator. So root of G in denominator. So the answer is root of L by G. Sir, these constant values are constant value, they will give any problem, constant values will be given. Not given, sir, right? K is equal to, that's all. Over. So this is the formula for simple pendulum. You know very well, T is equal to constant T is 2 pi. So 2 pi root of L by G is the formula for time period of a simple pendulum. So second most important point we have discussed. Third one, Third usage of dimensional formula. To convert from one system of unit to another system. What is that called, sir? MKS to CGS. CGS to MKS. Convert 18 by 5 kilometer per hour into meter per second. This is a question. Kilometer per hour they have given, ma. You have to convert into meter per second. First and foremost thing in this concept, you have to find out what quantity you are calculating, what physical quantity you are using. Meter per second. Meter is called a distance. Time is called a second, measured in second. Distance by time. So this is called a speed or velocity. Dimensional formula you calculate first. LT power minus 1. No, sir. M power 0, L power 1, T power minus 1. X, Y, Z. Now itself, you know, X is equal to 0, Y is equal to 1, Z is equal to minus 1. Over. So, velocity kilometer per hour, velocity meter per second. Mass, length, time. Mass, length, time. M1, L1, T1. M2, L2, T2. So, how will you proceed? The quantity to be calculated, you keep it in the left hand side. Velocity meter per second. M2 to be calculated on the left. M2 power X, L2 power Y, T2 power Z. Given M1 power X, L1 power Y, T1 power Z. Okay, sir. Velocity meter per second I want to calculate. Bring all these things to the right hand side. Velocity kilometer per hour is how much? 18 by 5. 18 by 5. M1 power X. This M2 also will come as M1 by M2 power X. L1 by L2 power Y. T1 by T2 power Z. Simple. Any question to be calculated, convert 76 centimeter of mercury into SI units. Gravitational constant G is equal to 6.67 10 power minus 11 Newton meter square per kilogram square. Convert into CGS unit. Any question, what is to be calculated, you keep it in the left hand side. First foremost thing is write the dimensional formula of that particular gravitational constant, pressure. Any question, write the dimensional formula first, calculate X, Y, Z. Then write the equation like this. V meter per second. No, sir. Capital G. CGS I want. CGS you put here. Here, SI unit. Capital G SI unit. That is given. Any one should be given, other only to be calculated. Given, you keep it, write it here. To be calculated, you write it in the left hand side. MLT form you write. Take this MLT to the right hand side. Now what you are getting? V meter per second is equal to 18 by 5 M1 by M2 power X. What is M1? kilometer per hour. No mass at all. M1 by M2 power X power 0. L1 by L2 power Y. What is Y? 1. T1 by T2 power Z minus 1. Okay. 18 by 5 power 0 1. L1. What is the length here? Kilometer. 1 kilometer. What is L2 here? Length meter. 1 meter. Power 1. T1. What is the time here? Hour. 1 hour. Here time second. 1 second. Power minus 1. 18 by 5 into 1. Sir, your answer should be in terms of meter per second. So you have to convert this kilometer into meter. What is to be calculated only you have to write. Kilometer you can write 1000 meter, 1 meter. 1 hour, 3600 second by 1 second, power minus 1, power 1. So 18 by 5, 1000 meter cancel, second cancel. 1000 is 10 power 3. 3600 power minus 1. I can write it as 1 by 3600. 1000 only I will write that. Okay, right, no problem. 2 zeros cancel. 18 and 36, 2 times. So numerator is 10, denominator is 5 into 2, 10, 1 meter per second. So 18 kilometer per hour is nothing but 1 meter per second. Simple. Reverse also you can do, man. Sir, 1 meter per second I want to convert into kilometer per hour. Reverse. 1 meter will come here, 1 kilometer will come here. 1 second, 1 hour. So you have to write second in terms of hours. How will you write, sir? 1 hour is 3600 seconds. So 1 second is 1 by 3600 of 1 hour. 1000 meter is 1 kilometer. So 1 meter is 1 by 1000 of a kilometer. 10 power minus 3 kilometers. You can write like this and then read. No problem. Any problem, make the base first dimensional formula. Write in terms of what quantity asked is in the left hand side, quantity given in the right hand side. Do it. 2-3 problems if you do, you will understand. Okay, Uma? So this is the information regarding the units and measurements chapter. Few topics we have discussed. Thank you.